Today we are going to work on this Porsche 911 Carrera R S 1973. Let's see what will be the outcome. Decades of silence. Every panel tells a story. Even under all this dust, the legend is still here. Let's see what's hiding inside. Time to wake it up. Years of neglect, washed away. Every detail matters. There it is, the original white. Let's step inside. 30 years of dust, disappearing, first pieces coming out, slowly bringing life back to the cockpit, stripped down, ready for rebirth. Make sure to subscribe to see what happens next.